What's up with it, YouTube? We back with another update. We putting the rear end up under this thing. You can see the springs. I done painted them. Painted my brake drums too. I'm gonna eventually go disc brake, but shit, we just trying to get this thing going for now, so we can, you know, see what she do. But it's getting everything brand new. Got new wheel studs. Painted the rear end. Got new bolts in the back. We're gonna put new gear oil in it. Yeah, basically, like I said, just trying to get that thing going. It's positive traction now. It's my man Todd right there. He helping me out today. But yeah, we be ready soon. Yeah, you can see all that shit. We tore everything out. The rear end is getting everything brand new. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that part. But like I said, we touching everything. Take a little time when you're doing it right. So, you know, show y'all the motor. How far I done came on that. It's basically complete up under here. Got the radiator in, the hoses, fans. I still gotta hook the fans up. They ain't hooked up yet. And I am gonna go headers. Like I said, these factory shorties. So I'm gonna leave them for now. Like I said, basically we just trying to get this thing running, get it on the road and shit. I'm ready to ride, boy. It's been a minute. I am thinking about getting the valve covers, getting them airbrush or something, man. I might put Rucci on them for my YouTube channel. But as you can see, she coming along. I ain't got much. Yeah, hopefully I'll be done in the next few weeks. Take it, get it tuned, dynoed, and detailed for the most part. She dirty. Been sitting up under my carport, but I got the pedal mounted in, so we coming along. But y'all see my shifter, got it going. It's clicking right and everything, so we coming, man. Making progress little by little.
We're coming for you.
Oh, say we coming for them? But yeah, y'all, that's an update right here. Like I said, I'm gonna take some pictures and hell, who knows? I might mount the wheels back on it. I gave them a full detail. They shining. They ready to go back on. The skirts over there. So yeah, I'm just keeping y'all posted. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Add my channel. Keep y'all posted on this bill right here. 73 Caprice. Fuel injected. Supercharged. We coming. We coming. You say what now? Y'all see it. Follow me on the gram. And that's my YouTube. Life with Rucci Ray. Gone.